ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ। ਕੁਲਦੀਪ ਜੀ ਆਪ ਨੂੰ ਜਨਮ ਦਿਨ ਦੀ ਬਹੁਤ ਬਹੁਤ ਮੁਬਾਰਕ ਹੋਵੇ। गुरु कृपा करे, मेरा करे, बख्शा करे। पूता माता की आशीष, निमक न बिसरो तुमको हर हर, सदा भजो जगदीश।
A very happy 70th birthday, ਵੀਰ ਜੀ।
ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਖਿੜਿਆ ਮੁਖ, ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਸਿੰਪਲ ਸਾਦਗੀ ਦਾ ਚਿਹਰਾ ਅੱਜ ਵੀ 70 ਸਾਲ ਤੇ ਖਿੜਿਆ ਹੋਇਆ ਹੈ। ਅੰਦਾਜ਼ਾ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਲਾਈਏ, ਜਦੋਂ ਭਰ ਜਵਾਨੀ ਦੇ ਅੰਦਰ ਲੀਲੀ ਨੇ ਆਪ ਨੂੰ ਪਹਿਲੀ ਵਾਰੀ ਦੇਖਿਆ ਹੋਣਾ ਤੇ ਕਿਹਾ ਹੋਣਾ ਇਹੀ ਮੁੰਡਾ ਲੈਣਾ, ਇਹੀ ਮੁੰਡਾ ਲੈਣਾ। ਸਾਡੇ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਪਰਿਵਾਰ ਨਾਲ ਪਿਛਲੇ ਤਕਰੀਬਨ 35 ਸਾਲ ਦੀ ਐਸੋਸੀਏਸ਼ਨ ਹੈ। ਇਸ ਦੇ ਦੌਰਾਨ ਬਹੁਤ ਕੁਝ ਆਪ ਤੋਂ ਸਿੱਖਿਆ ਹੈ। ਆਪ ਦਾ ਪਿਆਰ, ਸ਼ਰਧਾ, ਸਤਿਕਾਰ ਗੁਰੂ ਘਰ ਨਾਲ, ਗੁਰੂ ਮਹਾਰਾਜ ਨਾਲ ਦੱਸਿਆ ਨਹੀਂ ਜਾ ਸਕਦਾ। ਆਪ ਗੁਰਬਾਣੀ ਨਾਲ, ਕੀਰਤਨ ਨਾਲ, ਸ਼ਬਦ ਵਿਚਾਰ ਨਾਲ ਕਿਤਨਾ ਪਿਆਰ ਕਰਦੇ ਹੋ, ਕਿਤਨੀ ਚਾਹਤ ਰੱਖਦੇ ਹੋ। ਆਪ ਸੇਵਾ ਦੇ ਤੌਰ 'ਤੇ ਕਿਸੇ ਨਾਲ ਵੀ ਵਿਤਕਰਾ ਨਹੀਂ, ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਦੀ ਸੇਵਾ ਆਪ ਕਰਨਾ ਚਾਹੁੰਦੇ ਹੋ ਔਰ ਕਰਦੇ ਹੋ। ਆਪ ਚਾਹੁੰਦੇ ਹੋ ਕਿ ਬੱਚੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਹਨ ਉਹ ਸਾਡਾ ਵਿਰਸਾ ਜਾਣਨ ਔਰ ਉਸ ਨੂੰ ਅੱਗੇ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਤੁਰਨ, ਜੀਵਨ ਆਪਣਾ ਉਸ ਤਰੀਕੇ ਨਾਲ ਢਾਲ ਲਵਣ। ਕਿਰਪਾ ਕਰੇ ਗੁਰੂ ਮਹਾਰਾਜ ਆਪ ਨੂੰ ਉਹੀ ਹਿਊਮਿਲਿਟੀ, ਉਹੀ ਸਿੰਪਲਿਸਿਟੀ ਤੇ ਹਾਈ ਲਿਵਿੰਗ ਬਖਸ਼ੇ, ਮਿਹਰ ਕਰੇ, ਬਖਸ਼ਿਸ਼ ਕਰੇ। ਸਾਡੀ ਅਰਦਾਸ ਹੈ ਗੁਰੂ ਮਹਾਰਾਜ ਆਪ ਨੂੰ ਸਿਹਤ ਬਖਸ਼ੇ, ਆਪ ਨੂੰ ਜ਼ਿੰਦਗੀ ਬਖਸ਼ੇ ਤੇ ਬਾਣੀ ਦਾ ਫਰਮਾਨ ਆਪ ਯਾਦ ਰਹੇ,
ਸਦਾ ਰਹੇ ਕੰਚਨ ਸੀ ਕਾਇਆ, ਕਾਲ ਨ ਕਬਹੂ ਪਿਆਪੇ।
ਕੁਲਦੀਪ ਜੀ ਆਪ ਔਰ ਆਪ ਦੇ ਸਾਰੇ ਪਰਿਵਾਰ ਨੂੰ ਜਨਮ ਦਿਨ ਦੀ ਮੁਬਾਰਕ ਹੋਏ। ਖੁਸ਼ੀਆਂ ਮਨਾਓ, ਸੁਖੀ ਵਸੋ। ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ, ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ।
ਸਤਿ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ ਅੰਕਲ, wish you many happy returns of the day. It's always been a pleasure to meet you, to speak to you and to gain the little bit of wisdom that we can absorb from your vast pool. Thank you so much. I always look forward to speaking to you on a vast array of issues, current economic issues, political issues. It's always a learning experience. I quite enjoy speaking to you, and on your birthday, I would like to wish you a very happy, healthy and a safe birthday.
ਸਤਿ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ ਅੰਕਲ ਜੀ, ਵਿਸ਼ਿੰਗ ਯੂ ਅ ਵੈਰੀ ਹੈਪੀ ਬਰਥਡੇ। ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਮਿਲ ਕੇ ਬਹੁਤ ਅੱਛਾ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਹੈ। ਦੇयर इज ਲੋਟਸ ਟੂ ਲਰਨ। ਥੈਂਕ ਯੂ। ਮੇ ਯੂ ਹੈਵ ਅ ਵੰਡਰਫੁਲ ਈਅਰ ਐਂਡ ਸਟੇ ਇਨ ਗੁੱਡ ਹੈਲਥ always forever and keep blessing us. Happy birthday once again. Thank you.
Hello uncle, we are very happy to be a part of this video recording to wish you a very happy birthday because it means a lot to us, and we are equally fond of you a lot like you are fond of us, and we always appreciate your sincere advice that you share with all the members of the Kirtan group, and we always look forward to hearing your sweet melodious voice during the Kirtan. So here is wishing you a very happy birthday.
Sat Shri Akal uncle, wishing you a very happy birthday. Yes, as Guneet rightly said, we're very fond of you. In fact, a couple of things I would like to talk about you on this special day. That is your birthday. I believe it is your 16th birthday because you don't look a day older than that. And honestly speaking, you're very motivating. And personally, if you ask me, you've always encouraged me to do a lot of things. Like when I did my first Shabad, you really motivated me. Besides that, honestly speaking, I really admire the way you did a marathon. That was again a very big thing. and I guess age for you is just a number. And we are very fond of you. Believe me, you are one of the reasons that I like to be a part of the Kirtan every day and every month. And honestly, I'm not saying this just to make you feel happy, but we need more people like you who can encourage us, motivate the youngsters, and be like you. Thank you very much. So wishing you a very happy birthday from all of us here, and have a great day. Thank you so much.
Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh. Uncle Ji, many happy returns of the day. 70 years young, and looking forward to many years of an amazing journey. Uncle Ji, you've been one of my major influencers in my life at a very young age. Very positive. I've never ever seen you being negative at any time. Very encouraging, even if the idea didn't fall in the regular kind of a slot. You were very encouraging, showed me what open-mindedness really means, and that meant a lot to me growing up. You've been one of the influencers to who I am in my life, and I remember you literally every day for the way you approach issues, and the way you're open-minded, the way you're inclusive, the way you don't judge anybody, the way you're so out there with a smile on your face. I've never seen you get angry. I don't know if you do, but I haven't. And if anybody ever told me that, I wouldn't believe them, because in the many years of formative years of my life, I never saw you get angry. If anything, when people got upset and angry around you, you had a new spin on everything to get them to look at things maybe differently, and that's amazing. To me, you're the definition of what a human being, a good Sikh, is supposed to be. You're the definition of what Chardi Kala really means, because you've always been somebody who's really shown Chardi Kala in actual practice. I mean, we all tend to talk a lot, but you actually walk the talk and don't talk as much. You are humble, and that's amazing. You never try and show off, which is amazing, because a lot of us acquire a little knowledge, a little experience, and we start showing off like we know better than everybody else. And you know a lot more than a lot of people around you do, but you never ever try to show that off, and that's amazing. You're an amazing family person. You've gone through lots and ups and downs in your life, I know, professionally, but the smile on your face never let anybody on that, and never conveyed anything like that. I really hope and wish that we all can at least get some of the qualities that you have in your life, that you've showed in your life. And I know your son, Manmeet, does a really good job. He is a little version of you, and I see that in his posts and everything that he does out there. But you're lucky to have the family that you are. We're lucky to have you in our lives, and we hope and pray that we get a lot more of you for a lot more years, and hopefully more interaction between us since the time I moved to the US. But hopefully more interaction with you. Look forward to that. Vaheguru Angsang, wishing you many years of amazing life, making a difference every day, every moment that you live, and look forward to seeing you soon. Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh.
Wishing our
multi-talented and
versatile uncle
a very happy birthday. Uncle Ji, I have known you now it is around 25 years, and you have been amazing. You are an inspiration to us, whether it is Path, Kirtan, or it is Punjabi folk and dance.
any topic on the earth.
You are just amazing.
Parveen, how could you forget his dance moves and his poems which he is writing nowadays?
Oh yeah, I keep reading those poems, and I have watched Gabbar Ka Tabbar so many times.
He is even overshadowed Amjad Khan as a Gabbar.
Uncle, kindly accept our wishes on your birthday. Happy 70th
Yes, birthday. Long live uncle.
Keep blessing us. Thank you.
Sat Shri
Sat Shri
Akal,
Akal,
Uncle
Uncle
Ji.
Ji. Wish you
A
a
very
very
happy
happy
70th
70th birthday.
May Vaheguru Ji bless you with a healthier and prosperous life. In this Corona also, you have initiated the virtual Kirtan. You are always a source of inspiration to all of us.
ਅੰਕਲ ਜੀ ਅਸੀਂ ਬਹੁਤ ਕੁਝ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਤੋਂ ਸਿੱਖਿਆ ਹੈ the thing which I like the most about you is you are a very carefree person. ਮਤਲਬ ਤੁਸੀਂ you are least bothered about how people will think about me. The way you dress, the way you carry yourself, you are least bothered what others are thinking. This I think this should rightly is very apt for you, that simple thinking, simple living and high thinking. ਸਾਨੂੰ ਹਾਲੇ ਉਹ ਵੀ ਯਾਦ ਹੈ ਜਦੋਂ ਲੋਹੜੀ 'ਚ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਆਪਣੇ ਘਰ ਕੀਤੀ ਸੀ ਲੋਹੜੀ ਤੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸੌਂਗਸ ਪੁਰਾਣੇ ਟੱਪੇ ਐਂਡ ਉਹ ਸੌਂਗਸ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਅਰੇਂਜ ਕਰਕੇ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਪ੍ਰਿੰਟ ਆਊਟਸ ਦਿੱਤੇ ਸੀ
ਅਜੇ ਤੱਕ ਰੱਖਿਆ ਹੋਇਆ ਸੀ
we really enjoyed that day. I think that is the one good thing about you is you gel with everyone with every occasion, ਛੋਟਿਆਂ ਨਾਲ ਵੱਡਿਆਂ ਨਾਲ youngster ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਸਭ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ you have something to talk with all walks of life. So at the end we would like to just recite a shabad for you. माता की आशीष पुता, माता की आशीष, माता की आशीष पुता, माता की आशीष. निमक न बिसरो तुमको हर हर, निमक न बिसरो तुमको हर हर. सदा पजो जगदीश पुता, माता की आशीष, माता की आशीष पुता, माता की आशीष. Okay uncle, once again
a very happy birthday
and ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਤੰਦਰੁਸਤੀਆਂ ਬਖਸ਼ਣ ਅੰਕਲ and keep on inspiring all of us. ਸਤਿ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ.
Hello Kuldeep uncle, we all wish you a very happy 70th birthday. May you remain sweet 16 always, and you are the kindest and the warmest person we all know. Remain so always, and all the very best for the times to come. Now the message from mummy.
ਕੁਲਦੀਪ ਜੀ ਬਹੁਤ ਬਹੁਤ ਵਧਾਈਆਂ ਹੋਣ. 70 ਸਾਲ ਦੇ ਹੋ ਗਏ ਹੋ. ਅੱਗੋਂ ਵੀ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਵੱਡੀ ਉਮਰ ਬਖਸ਼ੇ, ਖੁਸ਼ੀਆਂ ਬਖਸ਼ੇ, ਔਰ ਇਹੋ ਜਿਹੇ ਭਰਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਹੈ ਮੇਰਾ ਬਣਿਆ ਰਹੇ ਜਦ ਤੱਕ ਮੈਂ ਹੈਗੀ ਹਾਂ. ਮੈਂ ਰੱਖੜੀ ਭੇਜਦੀ ਰਹਾਂ ਆਪਣੇ ਭਰਾ ਨੂੰ.
ਚਲੋ now we'll give you a song in Punglish, and this is Patiala special, and here it goes. Congratulations and celebrations, and wish you a very happy birthday.